Show that square root 5 is not a rational number. That is, we want to show that this is an irrational number. Okay, so we are going to prove this by using contradiction. Okay, so here we assume that suppose square root 5 is a rational number. So this implies square root 5 can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integer with, we assume here, the GCD of p and q is equal to 1. That is, this is irreducible fraction. There is no common term on the numerator and denominator. That is, we consider, for example, we know that the 1 by 2, this fraction is same as 5 by 10, is same as 10 by 20, but here we assume the fraction like 1 by 2, that is, there is no common term on the numerator and denominator. Okay, so here the fraction p and q is irreducible. Now since square root 5 is equal to p by q, if you square on both sides, then we get 5 is equal to p square divided by q square. Again, if we simplify this, then we get p square is equal to 5q square. So this is equation number 1. Now from this equation number 1, we can say that this p square is multiple of 5, so 5 divides p square, but this implies 5 divides p into p, since 5 is a prime and 5 divide p and p by using Euclid's lemma. We can say that here we can say that 5 divides p, but this implies p is equal to 5k1 for some k1 in z, that is integer. So this is equation number 2. Okay, now if you put p is equal to 5k1 in equation number 1, then put p is equal to 5k1 in 1, we get 5k1 square is equal to 5q square. What is equation number 1? P square is equal to, you can see here, p square is equal to 5k square. So in place of p we put 5k1, so its square is, it is 25k1 square is equal to 5q square. If you simplify this, then 5k1 square is equal to q square, that is, we divides this 25 by 5, so it is what, 5k1 square. Now if we write this term as, if we write this q square on the left hand side and 5k1 square on the right hand side, then q square is equal to 5k1 square. So this q square is again multiple of 5, and therefore this implies 5 divides q square, but 5 divides q square implies 5 divides q into q. Again 5 is a prime number, so using Euclid's lemma, we can say that here 5 divides q, but this implies q is multiple of 5, so q is equal to 5k2 for some integer k2 Say this is equation number 3. Now from equation number 2, say here 2, that is 2 is p is equal to 5k1, and equation number 3, if we write this equation here, p is equal to 5k1 and q is equal to 5k2, we get some contradiction. That is, we assume here p and q are irreducible fraction, that is, there is no common term on the numerator and denominator. Okay, that is GCD of PQ is equal to 1, but here there exists one number common divisor of P and Q which is greater than 1. So this implies GCD of P and Q greater than 1, which is contradiction that, and which is contradiction that and that the GCD of P and Q is equal to 1, and therefore square root 5 is not a rational number. From this we can say that is not a rational number.